People say you have to have a lot of passion for what you're doing, and it's totally true. And the reason is because it's so hard that if you don't, any rational person would give up. It's really hard, and you have to do it over a sustained period of time. So if you don't love it, if you're not having fun doing it, and you don't really love it, you're going to give up.
Can you get a bag? Alright guys, so it's time for me to board now. So I'm gonna deal with that and then get on. I'm at my seat now.
We still have plenty of empty seats in the back of the aircraft. Once again, we still have plenty of empty seats in the back of the aircraft.
And stuff. So guys, I'm gonna look for something to eat now. Category 5. I'm gonna look for something to eat now because my drop asleep in a plane. And the little snack what they would have given me, I missed that. And when the plane reached here, so I realized that I was asleep. So I'm gonna try to get something to eat. Not sure what yet. And wait for my next flight to get out of Florida.
The general boarding announcement for flight 804 with service to Tampa and on to Chicago. Please proceed to gate B5.
So yeah, I'm gonna try to get something to eat now.
Boarding announcement for flight 804 with
Look and see what I can get. And so I'm tired, man. I never know if I'm so tired. I drop asleep from away. Just a wake up. And sit. But I don't know what I'm gonna eat now because I don't eat a lot of these American stuff. So I'm trying to find something that I know I like. But look, tired of my face. And get that. And come back. So guys, I am boarding. I'm boarding my next flight. I almost missed my flight because my phone, the pan roaming, and the roaming time on my phone is still not correct to the time over here now. And I almost missed my flight. I talked to one lady and he came across to her. So God is so good.
Alright, anybody else with a free board?
Good morning guys. I don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, how are them? Guys, I'm just getting back to the vlog because I fell asleep. I was asleep and I played not much time. I wanted to have dropsy. And I reached home very late because of the traffic, air traffic and thing. So I didn't get to come back on here to end the vlog and stuff. Now I wonder if it's like how we overtake taxi on road. I wonder if plane overtake plane in a sky because they say it's basically a road. And I've been traveling a little while now and I never seen a plane overtake plane. I like the turbulence is like potholes. So if you have pothole turbulence and you have a road up there, plane must overtake plane. I want to think. Leave a comment below and tell me if you think planes overtake planes. This is where I end this vlog. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Definitely show the love and leave a comment below. Thank you. Bye. Hi guys. Good day. You know, so I can't go on my vulgarness. Oh? Huh? That is something for the intro. Wait, them have to cross the road. I don't want no car lick me down. You don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! I want them. Feel like this too sexy on the road. So,
America is never for everything.
We're on Main Street right now in New Jersey. Now I look for one of my friends. We're in our ear shop. No. She's a Jamaican as well. And she lives here. So I'm gonna look for her right now. I'm pretty excited to see somebody that I actually know. Yeah, vlog? Yeah. And stuff. It's like 70 degrees. Give me a minute. So guys, I saw my friend and we're currently now at a football match. In my back. Currently now at a football match. American soccer. Sorry, American soccer. There are white people there. But I don't know, we're blending anywhere we go. So we're gonna go in now. Maybe I capture some footage from when I'm inside and stuff. Kind of full, so I'm gonna get for going now at the gate. Okay, so we're at the game now. Will you tell them today which day? Today are Saturday.
Yes.
Saturday 9.
We don't know the date. We never know
the date.
You never know the date.
We never know the date.
Cooking all that food.
I fed them home if they were in Florida.
Oh yeah?
Saturday
I
the
know you
9th.
been cooking.
We're at this football game now.
I'm sorry, it was the cap.
And yeah, that's what I'm doing for today, just chilling. What for that today? Not jersey. Jersey coat. Black shoes. Black shoes.
You went to Jersey Coast. You know where they're having them?
So I'm taking the match now.